Okay.
Okay.
We're making one single recipe today.
Yeah.
We wanted to devote all our attention to it. We are, two market girls. What's
Oh
up?
yeah, that's
Hi.
what we are. We are Caesaroni.
That's right.
If you're from Toronto, you might know what we're talking
You
about.
might have heard about this sandwich from a restaurant.
That I don't remember the
Starts
name
with
of.
a V? Vilda's or something?
Oh,
like
something
that?
like that, yeah. It's a sandwich.
Yes, from this restaurant. It's called a Caesaroni.
And it's basically like a sandwich mixed with a pizza mixed with a Caesar salad.
And we were like, that seems like perfection.
Sounds right up our alley.
So we are gonna try and make one
Because we can't
ourselves.
try an actual one because it's not vegan.
So
But
we
we got all the ingredients for it.
you can't stop us. We are unstoppable.
You can't stop us.
Don't even try.
And I've been seeing it a lot lately, so I'm very excited for this.
Okay,
I cut up some lettuce.
good for you.
So we're following this person's
Yes, we
TikTok.
saw somebody also recreate it at home, and so we are gonna follow her. Wow, I'm all covered in.
It's Monica Isabella on TikTok, for anybody wondering. So we're gonna just go off of her, how she
seems
does
to
it.
know, yeah. She's
It-
familiar with the
She's
sandwich.
had the sandwich before, and when she tasted hers, she said it tasted a lot like it.
Perfect.
So we're gonna assume this is the way to do it.
Okay, this will be close enough.
Yeah, so we gotta fry up some pepperoni.
We don't want this raw.
Yeah.
That's what you're saying.
We gotta bake some buns once the pepperoni's fried up.
Oh, you
Yeah.
put them in the oven so the
Yeah,
cheese
let's
melts.
see.
Okay.
So you wanna fry up some pepperoni?
Sure. Are you thinking?
I don't know, I got 2 packs just in case, but I don't know, what do you think?
We could probably make it work with one. Well, like I'm picturing 1 row per
I
sandwich.
think that's enough? Maybe, yeah. I think we should be okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna prep the buns with sauce and cheese. I got Kaiser buns because it kind of looks like that's
Yeah.
what she was using.
Good.
Okay. So we got our baking pan here. Let's
I
open
want to
up-
go to sleep.
let's open up these Kaiser buns.
Your buns.
I'm really excited for this.
Well, she broiled them.
Did she broil them?
Yeah, she said she
Oh,
broiled
I
them
did
on
not hear
low
that. Okay, we'll broil
at
it.
first to melt the butter a little bit.
Oh my god, I didn't put butter on them.
Okay, you're already going off script.
I completely forgot. I think they'll be fine with that.
I think
butter.
they'll be fine. Okay, so then we'll just melt the cheese then.
Yeah. Oh, so she did that first before she put the pepperoni on?
Wait,
No.
No, I think cheese and pepperoni go on with the sauce.
But are you thinking we might need to do it
Yeah. No.
ahead because vegan cheese?
Oh.
Like it doesn't
Now
melt
I
as
am.
well?
Well, now I am. I wasn't thinking of vegan at all. I try not to think of it.
Like, so when I think of we've made that pesto hot sandwich before,
Yeah.
and the cheese we melted before we put it in the oven twice.
Okay.
We melted the cheese first, and then we put the rest of the toppings on. So maybe we do that again?
Okay, yeah. That's a good reference point.
Okay,
That's smart.
thanks.
Okay.
Is this enough, or do you want it saucier?
No, that's good for me.
Okay.
I'm saucy enough. You know?
What's going on with you?
What?
What?
Keep going? Do you think I should keep going?
Yeah, do the whole pack.
Do the whole pack. She says do the whole pack.
I'd rather have too many than not enough, you know?
Pack it up. Pack it in.
How does this feel to you cheese-wise?
Where is it? I can't see it. Ooh. Oh. I'm trying to account for the vegan cheese too because it gets so gooey, right?
Yeah.
So it's probably enough.
I don't know.
Okay.
That's why I asked you.
A little bit more.
Okay, that's what I was thinking.
That's what you're thinking. You're just waiting for me to say it.
As
Watch me struggle.
I was waiting for you to decide, I kept thinking maybe a little bit more. All right, I'm gonna put this in the oven. More or enough?
I think that looks good.
Okay.
Yeah. Good.
We got our lettuce salad.
We got our frying pepperonis.
And our buns are in the oven.
Oh. Oh. Oh, no.
Oh.
How's it looking?
It's looking great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you mean that?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, you're putting the pepperoni on there.
Yep.
We were concerned about the cheese being resistant to the heat and refusing to melt.
But that's just vegan cheese. This one I'm sure will help having the pepperonis on top.
You know what we should have used?
What?
Because the BioLife melts so good. Don't they have mozzarella slices?
Yeah, I had this in my fridge already.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Wow, the pepperonis look great.
Yeah, and it is enough. You did the pepperoni.
Yeah, I did. Good job, me.
Oh, didn't pick
Look
up
at that. Why aren't you melting? How is that possible? Okay, now what happens?
Put it back in the oven.
Oh, back in the oven.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully
Wait, did you touch the buns? What do they feel like? Okay, actually,
feel still soft?
yeah, they're not too crispy. So I think we're gonna be
okay.
We'll see.
Should I put it closer? Oh wait, not on broil.
Will that help?
Probably. Let's put it on broil.
Broil them a bit.
Broil it.
Okay. Oh boy.
She did it on the top bun. Should I just do it here?
Yeah, because what does it matter? It's going together.
Yeah.
Those crispy boys.
I'm so excited about this.
That's good. That's good. This is a pretty genius invention, right?
It is pretty smart.
Oh, frick.
Two like things that you serve generally together too. Like pizza and Caesar salad is a normal thing to go together, right?
Going in.
Are you getting any more? I like that you resorted to hands. I'm gonna cut my hat.
Yeah! It's nice and warm. I just want to hold it. It looks beautiful.
So
Oh my goodness. That looks really good. Okay.
Oh, I'm so excited.
It's steaming.
Yeah.
Catherine, it is steaming.
Because it's warm.
I can't eat this.
No, we're good. Don't worry.
I hate when cheese burns the top of your mouth.
We're fine. Don't worry.
Ouchie.
All right, ready?
You're so brave.
I'm so excited.
Oh, did you just like smell it? Did you just take time to...
Oh.
That smells amazing.
All right, ready?
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was a good invention.
That's
Whoever
delicious.
did this, I like the way you think. I'm gonna look at their other sandwiches.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Oh god. Wow! Mmm! So easy.
I was gonna say, is this your new favorite easy sandwich to just like
Throw together? Yeah.
Yeah. Pepperoni's really chewy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Does that
Nice,
mean
though.
we cooked it too much?
I don't know. Honestly, I think I'd even put more Caesar salad on this.
Mm-hmm.
Really loaded. Mine's just I'm not having that problem. Could you even call this a recipe?
Well, try recreating things from restaurants that aren't vegan.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing here. That's what we're all about here.
You like the Caesar dressing?
Mm-hmm.
It's nice, right?
Tell them which one it is.
Compliments brand. It's
Sobeys?
Sobeys.
I don't know.
I don't know. But Compliments Caesar dressing, they also have blue cheese and they have ranch. I really like it. And it's like, I think it's $4.50 for this bottle, which I think is a good price for a dressing.
Nice. Okay. In the comments, tell us if there's other restaurant recipes or dishes, you know, that aren't vegan, but you go with them like,
I want to try
I
that.
think it could be done.
Yeah.
Or I don't think it could be done, but here, good luck. Because, you know, we might go for that too. Try this sandwich and let us know.
Please do it. Please. Wow. And honestly, I forget how good a Kaiser bun is. It just like, it doesn't take away from the sandwich, you know? It's like the perfect, it's not basic because it still like adds so much, but it's not the star in a good way.
Perfect supporting actor.
Yeah. Yeah. Delicious.
Wow.